Alright, is KXI 41 actually going to air this one? Come on, WR120.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wind Point to near Kenosha to near Wadsworth, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Winthrop Harbor, Wind Point, Caledonia, Summers, Elmwood Park, North Bay, Franksville, and Russell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. The following is a special